everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. This was a request from someone that wanted me to experiment with beans, if it will work the same way, just the same as I did the chickpeas. I don't remember the person's name. I'm very sorry. I did not grab the person's name, so my apologies if you do not see your name. So we have here a small pot. You can use any type of beans. There's dark beans, there's black, there's white, there's the black eyed peas. I'm just gonna make a small batch. This is half a cup of beans. It's called the Romano beans. These are Romano beans. You can use any type of beans. So I will put this in my blender. If you have a magic bullet, a ninja, whichever one, I'm gonna put it in there. And I will blend this up into flour. Okay, so we have the flour in there, as you see that. So that was half a cup of whole beans. So I will start with half a cup of water, and then seeing how it goes, if it's too thick, I will add another half a cup of water. I will have the water ready right one side just in case I need it. You can make this sweet and savory. You can make it salt. It's your choice how you want to flavor it. You can do it right now in the water, so when you stir it, it's going to blend in. Now what I'm going to do is sweet. Okay, I want it sweet. So I'm going to put sweet pimento in there. Let's turn the stove on. I'm just gonna put 2 little balls of the pimento. Put 4 instead. You can put cloves if you like. It will enhance the flavor. Those 2 I usually use on anything I make, even if it's oatmeal or anything like that. I use the cloves and the pimento, and I also use fennel seeds, which it tastes like licorice. I love the taste. All right, we have that there heating up. I want it to boil, and let it boil for maybe 2 minutes. The water will lessen, so I'm guessing I have to add more water. If it boils, I want the flavor of the pimento to stay in the water, right? And then after, you can add sweetener, or if you wanted salt, you can just make it salt with cumin and salt and basil, oregano, however your heart desires. I know it's been a while. My apologies. Summertime, you know, very busy, very busy, very busy. So this is boiling already. As you see already, the water has lessened, so I will have to add more water. So I'm gonna add half a cup of water more. I got some fennel fresh leaves from the garden. I took it out last night, and this makes it enhance the flavor. It tastes like licorice. My favorite is licorice, and this hits the spot. So I'm gonna leave it to boil 2 minutes. I'm gonna add some sweetener. You can use any sweetener you like. If you're diabetic, you use your own sweetener. I'm just gonna use like a tablespoon of my own sweetener. I try to stay away from sugar. Okay, I'm gonna start taking out these the pimento seed and the fennel leaf. I think I got them all. So that was 1 cup of water, right? And you have your mold ready one side once it's done. So now it's already sweetened, it's already flavored. So now let's start putting in our flour. So let's see what happens. So you're experimenting with me, because I never did this before. Lower the heat. Don't forget to lower the heat to medium low. And as you see, it's already dry. So we're going to add more water, or if you want, you can add coconut milk. I'm adding half a cup more. Alright, so I think this should be done. It's already like 2 minutes in the stove. You really have to lower the heat very well so it doesn't burn, because this is really hot. So we're going to see how this stays, if it does the same job like I did the tofu style quinoa. Well, let's say firm jello. Let's see if it stays like a firm jello. Okay, I think that's done. Turn it off the stove and you have your mold ready. Okay, so we're going to just pour this quickly before, I don't know if it will harden, but hey, let's see. Okay, so one mold was enough. Just kind of straighten it out if you have a spatula. I have, but I'm just too lazy to go get it. All right, I will be back later. All right, so this has been sitting like for almost 2 hours. Let's see. It's really hard. As you can see, it's really hard. So it's not like a paste at all. I don't know if it's gonna come out a knife like that and at the end and like that. I notice my battery is almost finishing, and there we go. It does come out hard. You can see that it's really firm. So if I added a bit more water, it would be less firm, but this is really firm. I'm going to cut it because I know many of you are going to say, you didn't cut it. There we go. There is the bean. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this small experiment with me, and try it out. Let me try it. I'm gonna nibble just in a little tiny touch. It's actually really tasty, especially if you do it the way I did it. Trust me, the flavor is amazing. It's great for dessert. And if you want, you can do how I did the chickpea blueberry jello style with chickpea. This is almost like a hard, very firm jello. I don't know what to call it, guys. I will see what I'm gonna call it. I don't know. It's just that some comments sometimes make me sad to hear when they don't like the title, and I don't know what else to call it. But anyways, I hope you try it out. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your patience and for your support. Bye.